Now I need to find my semicircle. Look in this last part of this video to finish this up. Okay. Now I'm going to find the semicircle and add this into my shape. A semicircle is half a circle, so I cannot use just that formula. That formula is for the whole circle. I want half of it. So what do I do to find half of something? All I do is divide it by 2. So my formula is pi r squared over 2. I'm just going to divide it by 2. So pi, we know, is 3.14. My radius is 2. So 3.14 times 2 squared over 2. Multiply. I have 3.14. I'm going to erase that. 3.14 times, I know that 2 squared is 4. And 3.14 times 4, we've already worked that a couple times, we know is 12.56 over 2. Divide that, I get 6.28 meters squared. So that's my area right here. I'm going to add up my 4 areas. So 20 plus 4 plus 6.28. Don't forget to line up those decimal points. I can't add the 8 to the 4 or anything like that. I have to keep it lined up. So my total area is 30.28 meters squared. That's how you find that area. It's in your book on pages 11 and 12. Make sure you look that over so you can understand that. Okay, now come over here to this shape. Do you remember what this shape is? It has only 2 parallel sides. What shape has only 2 parallel sides? That's right, a trapezoid. So to find the area of a trapezoid, you would think, well, Miss Ashley, just use area times base, area equals base times height. Unfortunately, you can't, because your bases, your sides on the top and the bottom, aren't the same. So you cannot use that area. What you can do is divide it into 2 triangles like this. I'm going to divide it from corner to corner and create 2 triangles. Okay? So here's triangle 1, and here's triangle 2. Now, oops, I forgot one very important detail, that if I did not have it, we wouldn't be able to solve this figure. I'm trying to find where to write it. Okay, from the top to the bottom of my trapezoid is 4. Let me put my number in green so we don't have any confusion there. The height from the top to the bottom is 4. I'll move my 5 a little closer. Okay. So height from top to bottom is 4. Now I have 2 triangles. I'm going to find the area of each of these 2 triangles. Adjust my chair a little bit. There we go. So the area of the first triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Angle my camera, there we go. 1/2 times base. My base for the first triangle is 9. My height is 4. It's not 5 because 5 is the side. It's not at a 90-degree angle. It's not going straight up and down, so it's not from the top to the bottom. It's slanted, so that can't be my height. Only that is my height. So area equals 1/2 times 4 is 2, times 9 is 18. So this one is 18. And we're going to say that this is meters again. So it's 18 meters squared. Over here, triangle number 2, again 1/2 times base times height. My My base here is 15. My height, once again, it's not 5 because that's not from the top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom is 4. 1/2 times 4 is 2, times 15 is 30 meters squared. So in all, my total area is 30 plus 18, which is 48 meters squared. So that's how you find the area of a trapezoid, okay? Now for your homework, you are going to be doing practice A, B, D, and F. So the rest of the practice that you didn't do yesterday, as well as the rest of the numbers you didn't do yesterday. Make sure you look on your homework sheet so that you're not confused about what you need to do, okay? All right, let's see, I think everything is pretty straightforward in your practice. Make sure with your practice that you are paying attention to what it asks for. Letter A says find the perimeter of this figure. Dimensions are in centimeters. Lines that look parallel are parallel. So it's the same kind of figure that you see here, but you're finding perimeter instead. So remember, that's the distance around. So when you get to your semicircle, you use the formula for circumference divided by 2, not area. Circumference divided by 2 when you're looking for perimeter. Okay? Then for D, letter D, it says the circumference of a circle is 14 inches. What is the approximate radius of the circle? Use a calculator as necessary. Okay, let me explain what you need to do. This is just like one of the ones that you had, this is just like C and E that you had yesterday. You know that circumference equals pi d or 2 pi r. Since we're given, let's see, we're looking for the radius, I'm going to use circumference equals 2 pi r because we know we're going to be looking for the radius. That's what it asks for. It tells us that our circumference is 14 inches and I'm looking for r. So I have to solve for r. I have to start by dividing both sides by 2 to get r by itself, because that's what I want to do. So I got rid of the 2. Now I just have pi r. So you divide, both sides by pi. And I will allow you to use a calculator to tell me what r is. Okay, this is the only problem that you get to use a calculator. The rest of the problems, I do not want you using a calculator, okay? Even if it says so, this is the only one, your practice problem D, just for this part. Okay, have a great day, guys. Love you. Bye.